pad my wallets a little bit more. So, it's going down here. Oh wow, we're at 89 now. Holy crap, we're fading. Holy shit, I should have took more size here, guys. Holy shit. Holy cow. We're winning here. We're winning here. Up 50 bucks on IBRX. Look at that candle there, guys. Holy cow. Make sure to lock along the way like I am right now. 250 shares left. Come on. Take out. 82. Give me 82s. Give me the 82s. Get out of here with the 84s. VWAP test. I could add my shares back here. Dude, I'm trading this so good today, guys. Holy cow. Holy cow. I might just cover at 83 just to do it. Just to get out. Holy cow, guys. This is beautiful action here. Oh my gosh.